happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back again with another video for y'all, man. Hey, before I get started, if you new over here, your first time watching, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Pause the video, smash that red button, hit that bell, so you don't miss out on nothing that I gotta put out, you feel me? Hey man, and share this thing too. And to all the people who just joined, I appreciate y'all for coming through as always, and all my day ones. Y'all know I appreciate y'all, man. Weezy up in the building. Now you guys see the title. I'm excited because this is actually my first gift from like a big company. I'm excited, man. I can't wait to see what, well, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of already opened it just to get a little peek. You know, I had to get a little sneak peek. But even before I get into that, somebody who is well, I ain't even gonna say a fan, somebody who supports the channel, they also sent me something, so I'm gonna unbox that as well. So let me go ahead and grab it. Now, this was sitting in my my office for the longest, and me and bro, we had spoke, and you know, I told him like, bro, I know everybody work, I know everybody busy, so you don't gotta rush to send this to me, you know, whenever you get a chance, you know, no pressure. So let's open this. Oh snap. Oh. Oh. Hey. All right, let's see what we got here, man. We got a lot of stuff. This might be a long video. Let me fast forward this one. Hey. Greg and Lene Williams from Brand Clothing. Facebook, Gregory Williams, YouTube, Dreadful Kicks. So shout out to my boy, Dreadful Kicks. Brand Clothing. Oh, he said the long sleeve joint too, boy. Ooh, you know, it get cold at night now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wear this at night, man. Hey, Greg, Dreadful Kicks, I appreciate this, man. Like, dog, he sent me the shirt. Bro, he sent me the mask. Wow, bro. I really appreciate it, man, for real. Like, he sent me the brand mask. Like, bro, when I tell you I appreciate this, dog, like, on the real, because like I tell people, man, in this YouTube realm, like with so many other big shootubers, bro, I still feel like I'm a nobody, man. And that goes into my next sneaker. You know, I feel like I'm not at a level where I'm supposed to be. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to be big time, but Go Weezy, what's good, bro? This package is from Dreadful Kicks on YouTube. I've been following your channel and rock with the content. My wife and I have a small business, Brand Clothing, and I wanted to give you a few pieces. I went bigger on the sweater because they tend to shrink a little, but other than that, the shirt is in your size. I'm sure you're wondering what the name of our clothing means. To simply put it, be ready and never doubt. Bruh, I love that slogan. Bruh, I love all that. Be ready and never doubt. You know, if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. That's what I was always told, man, for real. And never doubt yourself, man. Keep pushing. Always keep pushing, man. Like, we all go through obstacles and hurdles, but man, we gotta run through them things, man, you know. And boy, I appreciate that. To get a more in-depth explanation, check out the About section on our website, www.brandclothing.com. Hope you enjoy the product. Thanks, and hope you and your family have a blessed year. You too, bro. Man, I really appreciate this, man. My man sent a letter to, boy. Like I said, y'all don't know the half, man. I feel like I'm real. I really don't feel like I'm a nobody, but it's people like that, man, who support the content, and they the reason why I do it, man. Like, I give y'all real, genuine, authentic. This is me 24/7, man. Like, bro, this is truly amazing, man. And then he put it in the black and Carolina. Boy. Hey, Dreadful Kicks, I got you. Let me know what size sneaker you wear, bro. I got you. I put that on everything, bro. I got you, man. Like, ooh wee. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and change into this. Boy done got fresh, your boy done changed into his brand clothing. Once again, shout out to Dreadful Kicks. Now, on to the nitty gritty. I got this box, and I'm surprised I got this box from Dreamville Records themselves, man. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I am a huge J. Cole fan. I've been a J. Cole fan since the come up back in 07. When that mixtape dropped right before I graduated from high school. And bruh, ever since then, I've been a J. Cole fan. December track, bruh. And then he was featured on Jay-Z's A Star Is Born. He did the Friday Night Lights mix. Man, y'all better stop playing with Cole. And speaking of Cole, shout out to everybody in the 2-6 Vietnam stand up. Golly, I miss y'all, man. Well, I swear to God, I miss the Ville, dog. I feel like the Ville was where I grew into a man. You know, I came into the Ville as a boy, and then I grew up as a man. Like, that was my manhood right there, because I went to the Ville, I ain't had no money, none of that, man. But that's a different story for another day, man. Like, I had to get on my stuff in the Ville, and J. Cole helped me do that, to say the least, man. I got my family in the Ville. Shout out to my cousin Jesse, Miss Emma, Vanaya, my little cousin Delando. He started hooping out. I'm rambling, but hey, man, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Shout out to the Ville. Coach Holstein, Coach Bobby, them my boys right there. Terry Sanford, Max Abbott Middle School. I love y'all, man. The 2-6. Let me get this box. So I got the box, and let's see what they got you, boy. Ooh. Dang, boy, I got shirts galore now. Let me see. So they got the Puma shirt. Oh, I'm loving this. Like you mean it, Puma. What's up, man? I got a lot of shirts over here. I got shirts, I got the mask. And let me open this box. Oh man, we got the J. Cole Dreamer box. Oh man, let me see what this is, man. Adult size 12, RS Dreamer mid, Spectra yellow. I said yellow, I'm so country. Yellow, Puma black. Hey man, I love this box, man. Cole and Puma, y'all did y'all thing, man. Drop the top on them things, man. Boy, I got them January 28th. If you don't know what January 28th is, man, hey, you ain't the God. Nigga, Cole the God. Hey, boy, let me see. Oh, boy. Man, them boys that gave me the J. Cole, the birthday J. Cole's, the January 28th. That's Cole World birthday, man. Boy, let me go ahead and talk about this sneaker right quick, man. All right, so I know a lot of y'all remember the J. Cole, the first official J. Cole sneaker dropped this past summer. And, bruh, we seen Kyle Kuzma wearing his joints. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all, like, bruh, this Cole thing over here is real, man, for real. Like, the 2-6, y'all don't understand. You had to be there, 2014 Forest Hills Drive. That is a real address. I done been to the house, I'm telling y'all. See, hey, bro, I don't be playing, man. Hey, Puma, I don't play. I got the Kyle Kuzma playoff game winners, AKA the blood, sweat, and tears, the red joints, another hoop and shoe. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get busy with this one. Ooh-wee. I got the Lakers colorway, the Danny Greens. Ooh. Hey, what? What y'all know about that, man? See, y'all, man, y'all just hype beasts, man. Y'all just hype beasts. Just how y'all do Travis. Y'all ain't real fans of Travis. I got the Super Mario Jones. I should have reviewed these, but they got the not the Super Nintendo, the Nintendo 64. I still got my 64 sitting by the TV. Look at that. Look at the aesthetics on that box, man. Look at that box. Ooh, y'all ain't real Cole fans, man. Y'all ain't no real Dreamville guys like me. Look at that Super Mario joints, man. We got the star in the back. You know, the star make Mario go Super Saiyan. Ooh. And last but not least, these just came back out. Now, the first time they came out with the OG Puma box, but they got the Dreamer box now. But come on, man, y'all know I had to get the original, the OGs. Y'all remember that video? Come on, man, stop playing with me. I'm out here. Y'all ain't no real sneakerheads, man. Y'all hype beasts, y'all new booties. Shout out to my boy Polo and Jays. But here we have it. Man, we got the January 28th, the Cole birthday, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, we're going to start off with the outsole. Now, I always said the outsole was like a leaf, but I did some further research on these, and technically they are a feather. They're modeling after a feather, which is crazy. You know, Cole always say fly high, sky high, so high that I can touch the sky. How sit, so sit that I can, y'all know the rest. Then we got the mid top. Now the mid top is similar to the first Dreamer, the first colorway that came out. Now, instead of the different colors, we have a all black midsole, and it is featuring Pro Foam on these. So y'all know the Pro Foam is something like the Turbo Zoom in Nike basketball, or the Boost with Adidas. All right, and then we gonna check out the toe cap. The toe cap is suede, and then heading out onto the toe box. The toe box has a mesh feel to it. The toe box is definitely mesh. All right, now heading up to the upper. The upper has different materials on it, y'all. This upper has synthetic leather, and then it has another suede little cap right there, man, which is crazy. I like how they did the different materials. We got a hint of plastic on this thing. Like I said, all kind of materials just sitting up on this sneaker, man. All right, now heading into the back heel, we have our Dreamer logo with the clouds. Hey, man, shout out to Dreamville once again, man. And then heading up onto the tongue, we have our RSD, which is RS Dreamer. Man, once again, shout out to Cole, man. And Puma is doing their thing, man. Like being in North Carolina and them signing LaMelo Ball. We got Melo Ball in the city, y'all, and Melo getting off. My clear pick for Rookie of the Year this year, man. I can't wait until they open up Spectrum Arena, because I definitely want to see the boy hoop in real life. Never got a chance to see him play, but he's one of the ones, man. I'm definitely excited to see him once everything opens back up. We already got news that the arena will open back up, so I'm excited, man. But I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll of this sneaker, and we're gonna hop back and we're gonna send this thing off, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through once again as I present to you guys the RS Dreamer 2, aka the J. Cole January 28th Cole World's birthday, man. Shout out to my boy Cole, man. I can't wait till everything open back up so I can go to Dreamfest, get a chance to meet you, man. Like believe it or not, me and Cole know the same people. My cousin used to hoop with Cole, so we got some things planning behind the scenes once everything get back to normal, man. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. I know this video been long. And once again, shout out to my boy Dreadful Kicks for the brand clothing. Hey man, y'all make sure y'all give my boy a follow on Instagram and YouTube and check out his merch. Like, dog, I really appreciate this. Like I said, I got something coming back to you, man, because, you know, like I said, I feel like I'm a nobody in these YouTube streets. I feel like J. Cole, man. I'm underappreciated. But I feel like I should be a higher tier, man. That's why I always say I'm the J. Cole of YouTube, man. But it is what it is, man. We're going to reach that plateau one day, man. But I appreciate y'all for coming through as usual. And y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace, and all this beef out here. Put some chicken grease on that thing. We out of here.